What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2013 Honda NC700X. Guys, this is pretty cool because a lot of these bikes are DCT and this one is fully manual. Pretty pumped about this bike. I think they're awesome riding bikes. This is the walk around video, so I'm gonna show you exactly what's wrong with this bike. It's really clean actually in the rear. It's all just kind of dirty. I mean clean as far as like scratches go. There is some scratch, light scuffing on this carbon fiber looking exhaust. All along here though, it's in pretty darn good shape. It does have this like plasticky skid plate here. There are some scuffs on the crash bars here. Engine guards. These are all the bar ends, lever ends. It's all in good shape. Front tires got tons of tread left. No chips or whatever in the front fender. Front's in really good shape. Yeah guys, bars and lever ends are great. Seat's in really good shape. Good tears or anything in the seat. Top of the tank's in really good shape. It does have a little bit of scuffing right there. Super random, I know. So this pops open. It's pretty cool. It's got storage right there. I think that's awesome. And then the gas is back here underneath the rear seat. That's super cool. I kind of think that's awesome. So how do you flip this thing down? Cool. And this is where all your storage goes. It looks like this is where your battery tender is, which is an amazing idea. Guys, this is super cool. I love the design on these things. This thing's only got 3,000, I want to say, 3,305 miles on it. It's a great bike, guys. I would love to take one of these up and just crush some hills with it, crush some twisties with this bike. It's just, they're such fun little bikes. Like I said guys, 2013 Honda NC700X. This is an awesome bike. For any of you like guys that are kind of thinking about getting into riding some adventure type bikes, something that's sporty but you don't want super aggressive stance to it, this is definitely the bike for you guys. Make sure to check us out on Instagram as well as check out the other channel, Bikes and Beards. Thanks a ton for watching guys.